How to limit who can see your following list. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your following list on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now go to the setting page and click on the setting icon up there. And now click on privacy checkup. And click on who can see what you share. And click on continue, and now click on who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Click on this and you have this list. You can choose public, friends except, or specific friends, whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.